Hi there, friend. It's Betsy from the Lavender Butterflies. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing good. If you're new, we haven't met yet. So what I do is I use doTERRA essential oils and supplements, and I got myself feeling healthier with those. And now I just love to help other women also feel healthier through doTERRA and through the supplements. So today I've been talking about energy, and let me tell you, if you don't have energy, it's really hard to function, isn't it? It's hard to get through the day, and it's not an easy way to live. So I've been working hard on improving my energy, and some of the doTERRA supplements that I've been using have just been wonderful. So today we're going to talk really quick about MetaPWR Advantage, and I'm going to show you how I mix it up and how I make it and how it uses with my energy. I'm going to grab my glass over here. I forgot it right here. There's always something you forget, right? You just plan it all out and then you forget something. That's how I do it. Anyway, so MetaPWR Advantage comes in a big box of them, and then it's a little sachet like here. And then I find it easiest to use a shaker bottle. So you can find these just about anywhere. I got mine off Amazon. It has a nice little quote. It says, if you put your mind to it, you can achieve anything. And so I found that with my health, you know, it takes a lot of determination and putting your mind to it and staying consistent, because these changes won't come overnight, but they're worth putting in the work. And so this helps me persevere, right? So I already filled my water. I don't put a lot of water with the MetaPWR. I prefer it a little stronger. And also the advice is to drink it quickly, because this is a powder in here. So I'm going to open it up. So I use scissors. It's just easier for me. It does have a little tab if you're on the go, but I just find scissors is just easier. And once this powder mixes with the water, that is when the ingredients become active. So this has collagen in it, has NMN, and it's all perfectly preserved. So as soon as this hits water, it becomes active. So the reason they ship it as a sachet is so you get the most active ingredient possible. And this is really important, right? We don't want to pay just for something that isn't quite as active or quite as bioavailable as it could be. And that's why you just want to drink it quickly once you mix it up. So I just dump it in here. It's just a powder. And I like to tap it, get every little bit out. So this is a marine collagen. So it's sourced from fresh fish that are sea fish, and it's also got NMN in it. It's got some other active ingredients, and then I just shake it, and it mixes really easy. There's no gritty texture or anything. It just mixes easy. Give it a couple shakes, and remember, you want to just drink it quickly. I like to drink it out of a glass. Just gets a little foam and fizz. It just tastes really good. And I drink it down, bottoms up. So that's how I mix up my MetaPWR, and hopefully this is helpful to you. And yeah. Bye.